Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove additional information and customize personal information in WooCommerce. This is incredibly useful if you want to streamline your checkout process and only collect the customer data that's truly necessary for your business. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is essential for making the changes we need. Now, to remove additional information and customize personal information in WooCommerce, start by clicking on Plugins in the left navigation menu. When you click it, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the WordPress plugin library, where you can search for and install various tools to enhance your store's functionality. From the Plugins page, you'll see all the plugins available to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar and type in Snippets. From the results that appear, look for a plugin called Code Snippets. Click on More Details to see the overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. This plugin is essential because it allows you to add custom code to your site without editing your theme files directly, which makes it much safer and easier to manage. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. It might take a little while for the installation to finish, so be patient during this process. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once activated, look at the left navigation menu and click on Snippets. This is the plugin we've just installed earlier. From here, you'll see a list of all the snippets you've added to your WooCommerce store. This is where all your custom code will live and can be managed in one central location. Now click on Add New, located on the top part of your screen. You'll be directed to the code editor, and this is where we'll add the code to remove additional information and customize personal information in WooCommerce. Now I'll be showing you the code for this function. Feel free to pause the video to copy the code accurately and add it to your code editor. Take your time here to ensure the code is entered correctly, as even a small typo can prevent it from working properly. Once the code is added, simply click on Save and Activate. This will immediately apply your changes to your WooCommerce checkout page, and that's it. You've successfully customized the personal information fields in your WooCommerce store, giving you full control over what customer data you collect. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.